how do we bring this type of passion, this education, this opportunity to the doorsteps of so many of the people in Connecticut who don't have that background, who don't know about manufacturing, haven't seen it, and still think of it as the old days where you'd spend 20 years pushing a button to watch 1,000 screws come off a line?
So to answer your question, how do we do this? We need to get students in here. We need to get teachers in here. We need them to see what manufacturing looks like today and tomorrow, not yesterday. And I think that's part of our effort at the agency, to really reimagine and really redefine what it is, and make sure that our structures are supporting career advancement, not just four-year traditional colleges. You know, we need to look at programs like these. There's such a demand in Connecticut. I think we need to do a better job meeting that demand and making sure that our system is designed to have students walk through these hallways, have teachers walk through these hallways to help them understand what opportunities these students have. Our job is to help students become successful and give them opportunities. And I think beautiful places like this and them having their doors open to us will move that along a lot quicker.